Just making this video. Just got down putting this high solid clear down on this midnight. I put black sealer, but it was already, I was painting over a black car, Chevy Malibu 2008. But I put the black sealer on first, then I put up here the base coat, dark purple metallic, and the high solid clear. This is how it came out right here today, as you see. I used like a 1.4 tip though. Could have used a 1.3, but this is what I used though. But that's about all for this video. But now, thank Jesus for helping me to get better at my painting. Honestly, I'm thankful for this too. Jesus, for you getting me better at this stuff, because I don't even messing around. I've been doing painting, trying to paint the last couple of years. I want to get better, but I still want to be doing what God wants me to do in this life. I do. Exactly what He wants me to do. Honestly. Like I still gotta be following Jesus the right way. I know I've been reading my Bible now. I have been reading it. I don't read it like all the time for like a long time, but like I'm trying to get like a real relationship with Jesus so I can hear him for myself. That's about all for this video.